Massy has restructured. Massy has gotten a strategic focus, right? And Massy has been deleveraging, right? Putting itself in a position where if Massy intends to, let's say, tap the debt markets, the global bond market, it can do so at a relatively cheap cost because of the strength of its balance sheet, right? So tell me, how does cross-listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange feed into what Massy intends to do going forward? Well,
I think it's such a natural step in the evolution of Massy as a publicly listed company, coming out of the Caribbean. So we are from the Caribbean, we have Caribbean roots and global aspirations. And Jamaica is the largest market in the English-speaking Caribbean. It's a market that we have investments and operations in for many, many years. Over time, we do not see Jamaica as a new market for us. We see bringing the Massy share onto the Jamaica Stock Exchange as an obligation. It's Massy in Jamaica is core to our franchise. And given the performance of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, given the interest that is demonstrated and the sophistication of the investors in the Jamaican market, we believe that Massy shares would add value to them. Being able to buy one stock that has so much diversity and yet still focus on value creation, we think that the Jamaican investor would welcome a stock that has those characteristics. So being part of Jamaica, being in Jamaica for so long, being enamored with how well the Jamaican market has received its corporate and assisted corporates in raising capital and pursuing those objectives, we see a symbiotic relationship with Jamaica in terms of capital markets. And it's a natural first step for us to move from the Trinidad market to now include the Jamaica market as part of our capital structure. So we're just excited to cross-list there and to be in a place that if we do need to raise funds and so on in the future, that we have the option to also do so in both Trinidad and Tobago and in Jamaica.
What would you say to an investor in Jamaica now who might be a bit concerned about, Massy being a company that, is not readily known to the average investor, what would you say to somebody like that?
We'd love for you to get to know us. We're not new to Jamaica. You may not have interacted with us on a daily basis. And we hope that in the future, you'll see more of us in Jamaica. Let me say it like that. As a diversified group of companies with investments in so many different businesses and parts of the region and parts of the world, we believe as an investor, when you look at your portfolio, you can buy this one stock, whether you're a value investor or growth investor, whether you are concerned about geographic risk or industry risk, and get all of those risks well diversified in one stock. So when you think about Massy and you think about yourself as an investor and a wealth creator for yourself, for your family, we think Massy is a great choice to certainly spend some more time to learn about us and invest in us, because we bring so much to the table, and we have for almost 100 years. So we are not newcomers, they say. We're here a long time, and we've been, putting our disclosures are there. We have nothing to hide. We're a very open and transparent organization. So get to know us, and hopefully you would see the value for your portfolio. As a young person, as a seasoned investor, we think we can bring value regardless to the nature of your portfolio.
I agree wholeheartedly. I looked at Massy's stock and I was like, at 98 years in operations, you would anticipate that this company is a mature company, not moving towards any significant growth, right? But there is growth in Massy. You know, we here at Barita, we love what you guys are doing. We love the steps that you are taking, and we believe in the pathway that you're driving forward as a strategic effort to build the company above and beyond new heights.